Oh my gosh.
Gotta save some for me.
Look at that cream. Oh my
The
word.
rest of it.
Alright, we're going to take our first adventure into Voodoo Doughnut. Let's see what this is all about. How do you get in? Oh my god, bacon maple. The biggest one in there. Oh my god, look at that. The voodoo doll. Look at the Fruit Loop one. Oh. Oh my god. Is that Captain Crunch berries? Yeah, it's back around. The Diablo Rex. Wow. Look at all the coffins up there. This is the menu. It's like a little coffin. Oh, look at this. Lord.
I think you should get this one, babe. I think you should get this one.
Which one?
These two.
The pina colada?
And the key lime.
Well, they call it the magic hole. The magic is in the hole. Sorry, get that backwards. Is that Carrot Top up there? There's a Ouija board. Oh boy. Oh, it's like some sort of voodoo doll up there. On display. Beautiful donuts. Alright, we got souvenirs, we got t-shirts. Look at that one. You like that one? Voodoo Doughnut. How much are their shirts? $30. Okay. Travel mug for $12. Oh, look at these. They have holes in the cup. You got keychains? The prices. There you go. All right, we got us some Voodoo Doughnut. Let's see what we got. We only got two because they're huge, huge. Except for this one. This is just old chocolate, old-fashioned. I think they called it. You want a bite? No, just take a bite out of it. I thought it'd be airy, but it's donutty. No.
Cakey.
Cakey, yeah, cakey. But that's real good. One bite. A lot of glaze on that. All right, I shouldn't have bit that, but this one down here. Oh my God! Look at the size of that donut. Holy crap! Look at it's a little hot. Look at that. It's a pineapple.
It looks like SpongeBob.
It's a SpongeBob. It's a pineapple.
It's pina colada.
But it's pina colada. Ugh, Lord Almighty. It's got pretzels at the top. There, you get a better view. Look at that. Let's see what it tastes like. Oh my God. Now, with cream inside. Now that's airy. Oh my goodness gracious.
Eat it all.
Oh my gosh.
Gotta save some for me.
Look at that cream. Oh my
The
word.
rest of it is mine.
It tastes like a fat Krispy Kreme donut with cream inside and all kinds of gooey goodness. All right, well, we're gonna finish those later. Anyway, Voodoo Doughnuts, delicious. This time there was no lime. So, see you later. Bye.